Hello, we hope you are doing well. In this tutorial, we will see how to connect Google Meet with KiviCare. Let's see how to do it. First, go to the admin dashboard, then navigate to the settings and find the Google Meet section. Here, you will see the Google Meet configuration. Just turn it on, and you'll find 3 required fields. The first is client ID, second is client secret, and the third is the app name. On the right side, you have a link to our KiviCare documentation, where you can also follow this process. Just so you know, if you have already set up Google Calendar, you can use the same client ID and client secret here. After that, go to the Google Developer Console, where you'll see the Google Cloud dashboard open up. At the top, you'll see our project, which is KiviCare 1. Just click on it, and a pop-up will open. In this pop-up, you will see the option to create a new project, so click on it to create new project. After clicking, write your project name and select the location of your organization. Simply click on the Create button, and your project will be created. Now, there will be a Select Project button. Just click on it, and you will be redirected to the dashboard of your new project. In the sidebar, select the API and Services option, then click on Enable APIs and Services. You will be redirected to the API library. Here, search for Google Calendar API, click on it, and enable it. Now, the Google Calendar API is enabled. Next, go into the Credentials section and click on Create Credentials, then select OAuth Client ID. You will see a warning that says to create an OAuth Client ID, you must first configure your consent screen. So, click on Configure Consent Screen. After that, select the user type. I'm selecting External, and click on the Create button. In the App Information field, such as app name, user support email, and developer contact information, fill in these fields as per your needs. Simply click on the Save and Continue button. You can skip the Scopes selection section. In the next option, there's some optional information. If needed, you can fill it in, and then click on the Save and Continue button. In the Summary section, just click on Back to Dashboard. On the dashboard, you will see the Edit App option. If you need to edit any details, you can do it from here. Next is the Publishing status. Go back to the Testing option. If you are sure, your app will be in testing mode, and will only be available to users you add to the list of test users. After confirming this, you will see the Publish App button. If you click on it and confirm, your app will be available to any user with a Google account. Next, go back to the Credentials section and click on Create Credentials, then select OAuth Client ID for your app. Here, you can choose Web Application and name of your app. After that, paste the URL of your website in Authorized JavaScript Origins, and also add an authorized URL. Simply click on the Create button. Now, you will get your client ID, client secret, and other details that you need. Simply copy those details and paste them into the admin's Google Meet section, then click on the Save button. You will see that our Google settings have been saved successfully. After that, log into the doctor's site. Go to the Settings, and then into the Google Meet integration section. Here, you will see the Connect with Google option. Without connecting with Google, you cannot use the Google Meet integration. Simply click on Connect with Google and fill in your Google account details. I'll fast forward this because it's easy to do. You will see a warning about the verification of your app. This appears because we have not verified our app on Google. To resolve this, go to the Advanced option and continue to your website. Here, select the checkbox to give permission to access your account with your website, and simply click on the Continue button. Now, you will see that Google Meet is connected. After completing this process, go to the Services section and add services to check if our Google Meet is working. I'm entering all the details, and here you will see the Telemed service in that select Yes in the drop-down. Enter all the mandatory details and simply click on the Save button. After saving the service, go to the admin dashboard and click on Add New Appointment. Fill in some mandatory details, and in the Services section, select the service that you created for the Google Meet appointment. After filling in all the details, simply click on the Save button. You will see that our Google Meet appointment is working here. This shows how easy it is to use.